Hello dear students, today we are going to start new unit 15, Introduction to Graphs. In this unit we will discuss about some linear graphs. So the first question is, the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. So first part, what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? So you know that this horizontal line is representing x-axis and this one is y-axis. So on the x-axis time shows and on the y-axis temperature has shown here. Just check what was the temperature at 1 p.m. So on x-axis 1 p.m. is here. So the temperature we have to check, just check this line. So this is the value of between 36 and 37. So this value is 36.5. You can write like this, the temperature was 36.5 degree Celsius. Now the B part is, when was the patient's temperature 38.5 degree Celsius? 38.5 degree. Just check between 38 and 39. This is 38.5. Mid value is 38.5. So we have to check the time. Just check this time. It meets here. So the time is 12 noon. So just write down here 12 noon. So now the third part is, the patient's temperature was same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? So we have to check now these 2 times. If you observe the graph, you can check the time 1 and 2. On 1 p.m. just check, at 1 p.m. the temperature is 36.5. 36.5, and on 2 p.m. that is also 36.5. So these are 2 times. Just write down your answer like this. C part, the patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. This is your answer. The patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Okay. Now the fourth part is, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? Now if you observe at 1:30, between 1 and 2, this line 1:30. So if you check, the temperature is 36.5. So our answer is 36.5 degree Celsius. Now further it is asking, how did you arrive at your answer? Now the D part answer you can write like this. The temperature at 1:30 p.m. was 36.5 degree Celsius. And how we arrive at our answer? We have taken the mid value of 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. So between value of 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. that is 1:30 p.m. and proceed perpendicularly, just as straight line upward to meet the horizontal line, and that value shows us 36.5 degree Celsius. This is your answer of D part. Now the E part is, during which period did the patient's temperature shows an upward trend? Shows an upward trend. So now if you check the upward trend between 9 to 10, 9 to 10, this value, then 10 to 11, it shows, the line shows upward trend, and one more value, that is 2 to 3. So our answer is between 9 to 10, then 10 to 11, and 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Just write down your answer like this. This is your answer. So the answer is during 9 to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and just mention here also 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. The temperature shows upward trend. This is your final answer. Now move to the question number 2.